guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today I have Pond's Magic Freshness Talc with me. But before that, if you are new on this channel, then do subscribe to us by clicking that subscribe button and do hit that like button. So without wasting any time, let's start. So this is the front side of Pond's Magic Freshness Talc. Packaging itself, you will able to see picture of one cute butterfly and picture of some petals. It's made of acacia honey. The net weight of this product is 20 gram. Now let's see what they have given on the rear side of packaging. On the rear side of the packaging, you will able to see the name of the product, Pond's Magic Freshness Talc Acacia Honey. They have even mentioned the ingredient list. You can pause this video and read it out the list of ingredients. They have even mentioned that it's safe and natural. Apply twice daily for best result. They have given MRP, manufacturing date, batch number down. So we are going to check it out later. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then I request you to get connect with us by clicking that subscribe button. They have mentioned that it's body talcum powder made in India, marketed by user Hindustan Unilever Limited. For name and address of the manufacturing unit, read the first characters of the code and see base. Manufactured by Ni Pioneer International, plot number 2, sector 1B, Integrated Industrial Estate, Ravli, Mahdood, Haridwar, 249-103, Uttarakhand, Hindustan Unilever Limited. The net weight of this product is 20 grams and they have mentioned their email ID as well as toll-free number if you have any query or you want to give feedback. Also, you will able to see logo of Unilever, which is there on each and every product of Hindustan Unilever Limited. Now let's see what they have given on downside. The cost of this product is Rs 10 and its manufacturing date is March 2023. Batch number is 130 and its expiry date is February 2023. Now let's see what they have given on the top side. You will able to see that you need to peel off the sticker to use. So now I am going to peel off the sticker and let's see how it looks. So in order to open, you need to do like this, and in order to close, you need to do like this. You will able to notice that once you do this, see, it comes very nicely in your hands. And once I'm going to close this again, and again I'm going to try it out. See, it's not coming out. I have really maintained the quality of the product. If I want to speak about the texture of this talcum powder, then it's very soft. So you can use it as a primer. Fragrance is damn nice. Once you purchase this, you will tend to purchase this Pond's Magic again and again and again. Another thing is you will able to carry it wherever you want. If you are going for a parties, you can just put it in your bag and just apply it on your face, as well as you can in your underarms. I'm going to rub this powder on. Now I'm going to put this talcum powder on my hands. See the difference between this hand and this hand. You can easily make out by using it once only. I had purchased this small bottle so that to give it a try. So next time if I am going to purchase a bigger bottle, yes, surely I am going to purchase a bigger bottle, but let me finish off with this bottle first. Where you are going to purchase this bottle? You will able to find this at medical store nearby to you, or any general store or any supermarket which is nearby to you. So without wasting any time, so if you want to purchase this, just go and grab this. I'm damn sure that you are not going to regret on this choice. That's all in this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit that like button and press that notification icon so that you will able to get new videos from us whenever we upload. Thank you.